Have you ever heard about the benefits of chive and cilantro tea? Did you know that this tea has many benefits? It helps regulate high blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes. So in today's video, you will learn more about these ingredients and how to make this tea. But before we start, let's learn the benefits of the ingredients of this tea. Cilantro has a long list of incredible benefits thanks to its high amounts of vitamins, iron, and minerals, and a low level of sodium. Did you know that? Besides that, cilantro also improves immunity. Both the leaves and seeds of cilantro are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin A that aids in the fight against free radicals. Regulates blood pressure. Besides preventing muscle cramps, the potassium found in cilantro works with sodium to keep the balance of the water levels in cells. It improves vascular tone and reduces blood pressure. Reduces cholesterol levels. Cilantro seeds have a hypolipidemic effect. A study done with lab mice was able to identify an increase in the levels of good cholesterol, HDL, and a reduction of bad cholesterol, LDL, in animals that consumed cilantro seeds. Helps with diabetes. Adding more cilantro in your daily life can regulate insulin production and reduce the blood sugar levels. According to studies, it happens because cilantro improves carbohydrate metabolism, controlling the glycemic index. Besides that, cilantro controls anxiety and helps with insomnia, acts as a muscle relaxant, prevents premature aging, and makes the skin healthier. The plant also works in the gastrointestinal tract in cases of flatulence, intestinal cramps, and even irritable bowel syndrome and others. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Chives are widely known by cuisines around the world. Found in many dishes, even though it is small, it lends a wonderful aroma and flavor to meals. Isn't it true? And when we talk about health benefits, chive contributes to memory and sleep, improves the immune system, prevents flu and colds, reduces the risk of osteoporosis, is good for the skin, prevents many types of cancer. Isn't it amazing how such a small plant can have so many benefits and also be super flavorful? Now that you know the benefits of the ingredients, let's check the recipe. Write down the ingredients. 2 medium bunches chives with the roots, 3 bunches cilantro with the roots, 51 ounces water. Thoroughly wash the cilantro and chive bunches. Now, in a 2-quart glass jar, add the cilantro and chive bunches, then add the water that was previously boiled. Drink throughout your day at room temperature. Try it and share your opinions with us. Even when drinking this tea, it is still important to follow the recommended medical treatment. Analyze with your doctor the possibility of reducing the dose of your medications or even discontinuing its use. Avoid the consumption of fatty or sugary foods such as cookies, bacon, oil, ice cream, chips, chocolate, pizza, cakes, processed foods, sauces, margarine, fried foods, or processed meats. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.